Hello lads, it's the 1st of May and today we're going to take a look at this logo. This is based on certain things like pentagons and that we've done already, and it's a nice, interesting little one, a very satisfying one to do. So we're going to start off in the middle of the sheet here, and we're going to actually work on, just let me see, get that now if I can. Yes, sorry. That wouldn't work for me for a moment. Okay, we're going to start in the middle of the sheet and draw two light lines. They'll represent the axis of a circle. And I want you to set your compass at 80 millimeters. That is the radius of the circle, 80 millimeters, which will give us a diameter of 160, and draw our circle. We're all familiar with the Texaco symbol and the Texaco logo. If you go down there, I think it's more Keys, where the first Texaco station is close to the Bish. Anyway, it's based on a pentagon, and we know if we divide 360 by 5, we get 72 degrees. So we need your protractor for this. So placing your 0 point here, the center of the protractor here, so tend 72 degrees, and make sure it's not 68. It's always the mistake we all make, lads. And draw your line out. Now, that will give you the length of the pentagon. So you can go 72 degrees again, or you can just take that length with your compass and mark it off here, here, there, and there. So let's just do that now. So there is one length of that. That's matches over 5 times perfectly. Take that length, mark it over there. Take that length again and mark it down there. Okay. On the left hand side as well, and finally the bottom. Remember, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. So once we got those two spots, that gave us the length of the pentagon. So as you can see up here, they are the line we've drawn. You can't see them on the logo because this is a construction after all. So what's next? I can rub out any kind of construction lines that I don't need. Okay, now to draw a 5-pointed star, very, very simply, we join all points to all other points. So that point is joined onto that one, now it's joined on there. We go here at the bottom, and that one is joined up there. So let's come over to the left hand side and right hand side and draw in those ones. So that draws that in, all points are joined to all other points. That only leaves that horizontal line remaining. There is our 5-pointed star, and you can see our logo there, and it's coming out nicely. Okay, so what else are we going to do? Now we're going to take these dimensions. They're going to come 20 millimeters. So that means coming out 10 millimeters from the left of the center line, 10 meters from the right of the center line. 10 and 10, giving us 20. Then come 15, then another 15. What we're drawing is the base of the T and the two arms of the T as well. So, out 10 mil, out 15, out 10 mil, out 15, bring the lines up. I'm going to give you the rest of the dimensions in a moment. Come up 15 mil, because we want to make that bar the same as that. And bring our lines over here, and start heavying in the part of the pentagon, part of the star that we want to actually heavy in. Now note that the pentagon, lads, here is still a light line, it's grayed out. What we're looking for is the star, okay, not the pentagon. The pentagon in this case is merely the medium, or the construction that we draw it with. So now, as you can see, I'm heavying in these lines, right? There's the main shaft of the T coming over here right inside, bringing it up to the top, left and right, finally completing the bar. So there is our Texaco logo, lads. You can replay this video as many times as you want, and that will help you to draw this. So finally, we just put in a little bit of color in it, and there we have our Texaco symbol. And that's quite good. Now, this is not the end of today's exercise. I'm going to go on and take a look at an isometric drawing in a few moments. That'll be my second video today. But try that one out, lads. Hope you enjoy it and hope all is well with you.